Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make high-level thumbnails using just Canva and a few free tools. This is going to be an in-depth guide to create stunning thumbnails that skyrocket your views. I will go through each component that makes up a thumbnail to ensure this is the only video you need to master thumbnail creation. First, let's go over the background. This varies vastly depending on your niche, but the general rule is that a background serves as the base for your subject. Now, what you mainly need to make sure of is that the subject fits onto your background nicely, while also creating enough contrast with the background to ensure the topic stands out. Check these examples to see what I mean. Next is typography. Try adding the shortest possible title or catchphrase in the thumbnail to spark curiosity. I'm going to show you a few text styles I use in my thumbnails. First is glow. You can find this effect under shadows in the edit menu. Now, as you can see, when you apply glow, the edges seem blurry. I usually go ahead and add a background outline layer with black to enhance the edges. This is especially useful when making white text glow. Now, I'll show you a makeshift way to create 3D text. It's really easy and looks good when used in the right places. Now, let's get to color grading. It's mainly to improve compositing, ensure all elements blend together nicely. Here, I will enhance this Eisen image to fit into my thumbnail. Through this, you'll get a good idea of what I mean. First, quality enhancement. Then, let's go over filters to see if any add value. I like this one pretty well, but we are not done yet. I'll go ahead and do the final adjustments to make it perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment, it will help you learn exponentially. Trust my experience. Now that you know all the basic stuff, let's go ahead and create a thumbnail. I am going to create a thumbnail for my next video. This will allow you to go through the process of each step of creating a thumbnail. I am not speeding up this process to ensure you don't miss anything. Just bear with it, boys. The video is about the best AI for content creation. Now, let's get started. First, I will start by adding my avatar. This is a must in my thumbnails as I use it for personal branding, and I highly recommend you do something like this, as it helps massively to grow your community. Next, I am going to choose a background and color themes. Well, I am going with dark bluish, so most of my components will contrast it. Once selected, I will just make a few adjustments and position it at the back. Now, I will start adding all my AI icons for the thumbnail. Some are already here, others I will bring up. Make sure to check this video when it comes out, as I have given all the knowledge of AI I have in this video. The in-video logo was missing, so I got it from Google. I will place 3 tools at each corner for symmetry. This is the final positioning, but we are not done yet. I will take each side set of apps and make a group PNG, which you'll later see why. Oh yes, blur a few as I cannot give out all the info in the thumbnail. Otherwise, the whole trick will be revealed. Now, let's download each as a PNG with a transparent background. From the Canva app, go to Image Transform and import the images. This will help you change the perspective of these images in 3D. As you can see, the thumbnail of this very video was made this way. Move them as I am doing, and once done, position them as best as you can. Now, that's all for this thumbnail. The rest is on your creativity. Now, I will go over a few things that you might miss out on and spend hours figuring out here. If you need optical flares, they are actually available in Canva. Just get them from Elements. All colors of glow are available. You can search through the options. Many frames are available that are really good, along with visual effects and overlays. Experiment and browse through them. Trust me, it will be worth it. Lastly, thumbnails do not depend on software, but rather on your creativity. So good luck! If you found the video useful, like and share it with the ones who need it, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching, and peace out.